Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where history comes alive. Today, we're talking about a man who wore his signature rose, loved children, and dreamed of a new India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Yep, the same guy whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Let's dive into his journey and see how he helped shape modern India. Nehru was born on November 14, 1889, in Allahabad. His father, Motilal Nehru, was a well-known lawyer, and little Jawaharlal grew up in a home full of books and ideas. He studied in England, first at Harrow, then at Cambridge, and became a lawyer just like his dad. Fun fact, when Nehru came back to India, he didn't jump into politics right away. But once he met Mahatma Gandhi, everything changed. He was inspired to fight for India's freedom using non-violence and truth. Pretty cool, right? Nehru became one of Gandhi's closest friends and followers. Together, they worked hard to make India free. Nehru was jailed many times, but that never stopped him. In prison, he even wrote books and letters full of hope for India's future. Fun fact, he once said when India got freedom, it would wake up to life and freedom, and guess what? It did. On August 15, 1947, India became independent, and Nehru became the first prime minister. Now, imagine this. After independence, India was like a brand new chalkboard. Everything had to be built from scratch. Nehru dreamed of an India that was modern, smart, and full of opportunities. He encouraged science, built big dams, started new universities, and laid the foundation for India's space and industrial programs. His idea was simple. Science and knowledge were the keys to progress. He also worked hard to make sure everyone had access to education. Schools, colleges, and research centers started popping up everywhere. Fun fact, the Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, famous all around the world today, were Nehru's idea. Now let's talk about something super heartwarming. Nehru loved children. He believed kids were the future of the nation. Children called him Chacha Nehru, which means Uncle Nehru. After his passing in 1964, his birthday, November 14th, began to be celebrated as Children's Day. So every time you celebrate Children's Day, remember, it's not just about chocolates and games, but also about following Nehru's dream of being curious, kind, and hardworking. Jawaharlal Nehru wasn't just a leader. He was a dreamer who imagined an India strong in science, peace, and equality. His journey reminds us that learning and curiosity can change the world. So, next time you see a photograph of Chacha Nehru with his rose, remember, the rose stands for growth, care, and love for the future. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more awesome history stories, and share it with your friends. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite thing about Jawaharlal Nehru?